Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished doing a ghost to immobiliser on this Mitsubishi Outlander 2016, and I just wanted to run through how the ghost to immobiliser works, how to enter your push sequence, how to change your push sequence, and also how to put the ghost to in service mode. So we'll just run through everything. Right, so first of all, let's just try to attempt to start the vehicle without the push sequence so you can see what happens. So foot on the brake, press the start button, nothing happens. Okay, so in order to start the vehicle, you need to put your unique push sequence. We've got it as this 4 times for the purpose of this video, which will be changed when the customer comes in. So first of all, what you do, dash lights must be on, enter your push sequence 1 2 3 4. You're going to get an indication just down there, 2 flashes, there we go. And then basically foot on the brake, start the car, and it's good to go. You might not hear it because it's also a hybrid. Okay, so that's how you would enter your push sequence to drive your vehicle. Now I'm going to run through how you change your sequence. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it from this one 4 times to this one. Okay, bearing in mind you've got loads of buttons you can use, minimum of 4 presses and maximum of 20. I can't go through all the buttons for security reasons. So first of all, what you do is press the start button, your dash lights must be on, enter your current push sequence 1 2 3 4, wait for the indication. There we go. Now this time, don't start the vehicle, put your foot on the accelerator firmly down and hold it there. And then what you do is put your push sequence in again, 1 2 3 4, wait for the indication light to flash, and now you can take your foot off the accelerator. That's going to continue to flash on the dash for a couple of minutes, so it's asking for your new push sequence. So what we're going to do is we're going to program this button. So 1 2 3 4, you're going to see basically confirmation, first confirmation, which is 3 flashes, and then again 1 2 3 4, that's your 2 flashes. Now you can put your turn the vehicle off, put your foot on the brake and start the car, and you've now successfully changed the configuration from this to this. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to run through is how to put the vehicle in service mode. So what you do to put the vehicle in service mode, what you do is you basically just press the start button, dash lights must be on, and then put your push sequence in, which is this one now, 1 2 3 4, wait for the flashes. And then what you do is you put the service button. You need service, you'll get an allocated service button, but on this case it's the AC, 1 2 3 4 5, and then you'll get 5 flashes on the dash, 1 2 3 4 5, foot on the brake, turn it off, foot on the brake, that's it, it's good to go, ready to go. So this vehicle is now in service mode. It can be dropped to a garage or a car wash or anything like that. No code is required to start the car, move the car, etc. So basically to take it out of service mode, all you do is you just press the start button, enter your push sequence 1 2 3 4, the indicators will flash twice, and basically just start the vehicle up as normal. And now that this vehicle is now out of service mode, so it's really simple to use. Very good, popular immobiliser we're fitting at a lot on hybrids now as well. So Toyota Priuses, Outlanders, etc. If you're interested in getting this done, get in contact with us. If you've already got one fitted already and you just want some tech on it, then feel free to give us a call. Even if you've had it fitted somewhere else, no problems, we're happy to help. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.